but maybe we can bring it back. He was young, he faced the crowd, spoke his mind, he spoke it loud. Not all agreed, but all could see debate was meant for you and me.
Prove me wrong, he'd always say, and now his voice still lights the way.
So bye-bye to those sharp civil nights. Now it's rage, hate, repeat under red-hot lights. Charlie showed us words should collide. This'll be the day debating died. Singing, this'll be the day